Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're exploring the word luxury, what it means, how to use it, and some great synonyms to make your language shine. So, what is luxury? Luxury is something that gives great comfort, pleasure, or elegance, more than what you need. It's about enjoying rich and fancy things or experiences that feel special and indulgent. For example, a luxury car, luxury vacation, or simply luxury in your lifestyle. But luxury isn't just about expensive things. It can be any extra joy or comfort that makes life better, like cozy pajamas or a delicious meal. Now let's explore some popular synonyms for luxury. These words can help you express the same idea with a fresh twist. Opulence suggests wealth and grandeur. Elegance implies style and grace. Lavishness means something done with great abundance. Splendor highlights impressive beauty or brilliance. Extravagance shows spending or using more than what is necessary. Delight focuses on the pleasure part of luxury. Using these synonyms makes your conversation or writing more colorful and interesting. For example, instead of saying, "I stayed in a luxury hotel," you could say, "I stayed in an opulent hotel," or, "I enjoyed the lavish comfort of the hotel." Remember, luxury is all about treating yourself or others with something special. It's not just about money, but about experience and feeling good. If you want to expand your vocabulary around lifestyle and comfort-related words, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos from Thesaurus Thrive. Thanks for watching. Keep thriving with words.